I'm confused about the difference of between backbiting and not backbiting. Obviously, we know that backbiting is when you mention somebody in a way that he doesn't like. But let's say, for example, in a situation where I'm talking to a family member of mine because I want to keep the ties of kinship, and she mentioned something that me and my brother did in the past, and she said my brother did this and that when he was a child. And I'm not close with my brother. I barely talk to him. He doesn't like talking to me. So I'm not sure if he likes that. So is this considered as backbiting? Because we weren't making fun of him. Like she just she found it funny, and she said like when he was a child he used to climb over this and that. So like that's one example. So would this be considered as backbiting?
Shukran, Abu Bakr. There is no confusion when it comes to backbiting. It's very simple. Something that you know it may upset somebody whom you are talking about him in his or her absence. That's backbiting. Something you're certain that it doesn't upset him. That's not backbiting. Siblings are talking about their childhood, and especially sit in front of him, no problem. When he was little, he used to do this, he used to do that, no problem. Oh, I'm doubting whether he will be upset or not. Just don't say it. Because the determining factor is, what if I am in his position? Would I like people to speak about that? Would I like people to mention things it may offend me, even though they are talking about my childhood? If you think yes, and it would upset you personally, then you're better off without talking about it. And backbiting is only when you speak in the absence of somebody in a way that it offends him or her. But speaking in front of them, that's something different. And if you speak in front of your brother and you remind him or her of their childhood and say stop it, because you make certain that you do not offend anyone's feeling.